RDW. AIM. RDW. BBC. That's PA. AIM.
Oh, come on. Order, it's not going.
RDW.
Did I didn't get failed? Why not? Oh, did it get? Oh, I see. Looks like I didn't get failed because I'm on a limit order, so that sucks. They hit the ass though. Let's try it one more time.
SBFM.
A lot of volume here.
ABRT.
Try one more time.
VRAX.
So it seems to be holding 30.
LABT.
Buying volume is low. Yeah, we'll see.
VRAX.
This is the real test here, 28.
RDW. LABT. AIM.
Doesn't want to fill. Why not?
LABT. MSTV.
Why don't you want to fill? What's going on?
VRAX.
Small size.
RDW.
There's buying here.
LABT.
Finally got fill there.
AIM.
Buying deals.
CODX.
Small size.
AIM.
Okay.
MSTV.
My understanding is this might hold. I saw a lot of green here. If not, I'm getting out 28, small size.
LABT.
28.
RDW.
Let me get into here a little more. If it holds 28, no, it's not gonna hold. No,
MSTV.
it's not gonna hold. It seems like I was mistiming, it seems like on my end. Could try it one more time here. Did bounce here.
LABT. AIM. RDW. FRMI. RDW.
28, it's a lot of buying. 27. No.
MSTV.
29.30 looked like there was a lot of buying. A lot of green. There's a lot of buying here,
SO1.
but I don't know how well this is going to be holding.
LABT. AIF.
I mean, it keeps holding.
CHAL.
27.
MSTV. CONL.
No. There's buying, but it's not folding. 29.30 looked good here. So it was folding these two candles. Came back down.
CHAL. AIF.
You know, well, worth a shot here on the pullback. Oh, I have VWAP.
RDW.
Oh, that sucks. I got VWAP turned off for some reason. All right. Oh, this would have been helpful to see VWAP. Oh, okay. All right. Anyways, trying pre-market. Giving it a try. Small size. Missed some earlier moves. Wanted to get here before 7. But I'm trying to set up pre-market and that took a little long, so I missed this big move here. This is a great move. And GOVX was also a great move. So decent pre-market. We'll wait for the next set of moves.
GOVX.
It's made a massive move, this one.
SBFM.
We probably have room up to here, $4. We kind of already hit $4. Get a VWAP dip.
LABT.
316.50's holding strong. SSR stock. Doesn't dump here. Let's see how well this is gonna fall.
SBFM. GOVX.
How well this pullback is gonna fold. It's important. Seller. Let's see. I'll get in here. And at 16. So right at that gap.
SBFM.
So if it doesn't work 16, we break. Needs to bounce here for me. Good. So a decent bounce here. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm getting cooked.
SBFM.
Oh my gosh.
GOVX.
I got smoked on that. Yeah, the drops are crazy pre-market. That drop was crazy. I even took only 100 shares. I try to get out there. I try to get out over here at the 20s with 100 shares. But man, that drop was insane. I try to get out like 100 shares up here. Pullback was not safe. Wow, down $80 already. Even with 100 shares, I mean, you could do a lot of damage.
SBFM.
Yeah. Pullbacks are not too safe. Let's see. I didn't have a flattened button. I mean, I just have sell in the bid. So and I had changed my quantity to 100 because I wanted to get some out in the 20s because it just seemed a little off.
SBFM.
So I did put an order out. Let's see, cancel orders. I did put an order out at 23, didn't get filled. Put an order out 318, also didn't get filled. Then yeah, didn't get filled 23 or 18. It just dropped way too fast. And by the time I got out, it was 89 and 71. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, it moves fast. I must say it moves pretty fast. So for being SSR, dang, I gotta catch the front side of the move. Tomorrow I will catch the front side of the move. I didn't think it would go, man. I saw it and I'm thinking, oh, I don't know. And then I'm trying to catch the pullback, the bounce, but I guess that was not the one. Buying right there, 78. Very good. Looking for a good bounce. Small size. It's SSR, so let's see if I can get another trade a little bit lower as well, like low 70s. I think it could do that. This area looks very nice for a bounce. Stop is going to be around 67. I'm seeing a lot of green here, which is good. Let's see how this candle closes. I gotta be patient with this. Might do a bear flag here. So I'll be looking out for that. Want to add more down here. Stop at 67.
GOVX.
Well, okay. It's a good bounce here. Very strong folding that level. A lot of green here. So a little bounce there. Now 93. I do want to add some level here on this next pullback. I do want to add. Do want to add. Let's see if I can add 100 shares.
SBFM.
3, 2, 1. Let's see how this holds. It's gonna reject all the way. 83. Massive rejection. Massive rejection. Okay, good hold. I'll add it here. Add it right there. 87. 10 cents higher. Let's see. 300 shares. Average price 81. Good, good, good. I wish gives us a move like this one more time. So I do want to add 300. Let's see how well this is going to hold. 300 is too much. It's hitting a wall in the 90s. Volume is there though. If I had 1,000 shares, I probably would have taken some profit out in the 90s. Hmm.
SBFM.
So there you go. That's me taking profit.
CHA. SBFM.
I have to put 50.
VRAX.
Sell the bid. There you go. So scaling out. Okay, cool. So this is holding. So I'm looking to get in here one more time, but on a dip. It's struggling up here. So let me see if I can get in on a dip here. Back to 80s. It doesn't reflect. VRAX looking nice as well. I do want to get a nice dip here, maybe 32. See how algos react at that level. I'll put 1,000 shares in there. Setup looks great.
VRAX.
Still have 50 shares. I do want to add on the dip. So let's see where it holds. 33, 32. VRAX could be good. 33. 32, 33. I see tape. The tape is increasing some speed here. Nice, nice dip. I'm getting here at 32. Nice. 32.83. That's good. So stop is going to be 32. So sell the bid right away if it breaks. Yeah, I'm out. Okay, good. Whew. So I didn't want to get caught in a flush, you know, like I got caught last time. So, but it seems to be holding. Okay. I don't want to get caught in a flush in LABT. That one was rough, so this one seemed to held. Okay, good to know. So this one, SBFM, still working here. because it does skip. If it's flushing, it's going to skip my level. It's going to skip my, yeah, it's going to skip me selling on the ask. So I kind of have to, I need to use, I would need to use DOS and put like some offset so I don't get caught. But nice dip though.
VRAX.
Nice dip. 32.23. What was the low of this? 32.01. Hmm. Anyway, this is holding still up here. What's the plan?
VRAX. VRAX.
Let's see how well this is gonna hold here. The low of this is 78. I do want to see it lower. Let's see. CMND.
CMND.
Squeezing. What's the okay? Use some medication. Bro. What's up with this? Short squeeze. Short squeeze, it looks like. Bro. 72. Volume's picking up here. I like this though. I like SBFM. Volume's picking up.
'CMND.
I see orders hitting the tape here. Looks strong. I don't know about CMND. Look at the pop and drop. Massive drop. Boom. That's rough. I do think this could go here. 87, 86. Okay, it seems like it's accumulating here. I'm gonna add here. 400 shares. Oh. Minute 87. 86. Top of that gap. Based on what I'm looking at, it seems like it was sort of accumulating there. Oh, shoot. Okay. Didn't work. That was a bad read on my end, it seems like. Bad read on my end. It should have gone. It should have gone down there. But I'm gonna close it there. I just saw a lot of green, but I guess there was like a kind of like a hidden seller. Didn't want to break. Salmon and D. Okay, there's a big chance this thing goes to $1. So 86, 88, 87, 87. There's a big chance this thing goes to $1. 60 seconds here, 79. Nope. It looked there. If it kept holding until that candle closed, first candle to make a new high could have been good. I do like a dip down here, low, that's 67. I do like a dip right under 70. I'll buy it here. 72. Looks like 70. Full dollars holding well. I mean, at 72. Stop at 67. Not full dollar, but 0 cents, 170. Good, we got a nice dip down there. Excellent dip. Could that be what we need in order to get a massive move here? Nice. So I would get rid of half around 80. We get a nice bounce here. We'll see. We'll see. 82, 83, 84, 85. It's pushing well. Okay, good. Got half out 83. Order filled very quickly. Good to see that. All right. Let's see if we can take a partial out there. I want to see this thing hold 67 and then go for the next move. It's where I think liquidity sits. It sits right here. So nice, 82 again. Maybe this will be a great move for 9 a.m. move.
A medium.
Yeah. Look like it's wedging, right?
A medium.
I'm in here. We'll see what it wants to do. Stop is 67. If this is good here, I will add again under 77.
CMLD.
Looking for buyers to step in right under 77 is SSR, so 77, 76.
GOVX.
It's like so slow on this drop. This is a good sign.
CMLD. 18 acre.
It's a good sign, but 75. 75 is good for me. Adding right here. 73 is kind of the stop. Are we stopping flat? What's the deal here? 73, 75, 76, good. 77, nice. Good dip right here. Low volume on the pullback, slow on its way down, so it was controlled. Now looking for this for volume to pick up here. Nice, 79. Looking for this to go through 80. No, it's not. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Slow. Should do it here. It's not doing it. It needed to happen quicker. It needed to happen quicker. So don't want to give it too much range if it's not going to happen. So unwinding. So that right there, that burst of volume, that should have been it. So I'm still in the trade, but I wanted more.
LABT.
I wanted more out of that. Wanted way more. Now it's looking kind of weak. We'll see. I got only 200, so I could add here.
LABT.
70 if it doesn't hold.
CMLD.
Okay, good bounce again. Low 70s. We'll see. Only 200 shares looking for this to do something.
18 acre. CMLD. A medium.
Struggling. Struggling. Out there. Let's see what it wants to do. You get it a little lower. 67. Okay. Looks like it did it right there. Looks like a nice 9 a.m. move. Maybe we'll do it.
LABT.
We need to see a dip here. Dip. Man, that's the move I wanted to see. That's the move I wanted to see.
SBFM.
Volume starting to pick up.
LABT.
Any dips? Any dips? Any dips? Any dips?
SBFM.
Any dips? Good sir. Premature? What's the deal? Four seconds. 81. 90. Slow, slow, slow. That's 90. 77. Feel like 86. $84. Good dip right there. Nice dip, huh? Oh, dip again. It's a nice fair value gap here, but it's choppy. It's heavy at 90. It's heavy at 90. 85 again. Looks like it's gonna go. Will it fail miserably, or are you gonna hold this level? Let's hold it. Holding 84. Nice, 86. No, out. Buying it one more time, a little lower. Yeah. 80. I like this area. 77. Fine, I'll get in here. 79. Stop at 77. Risking what I've made so far. It's a nice gap. There's a strong battle here. Looks like we may be able to succeed here. It's SSR, so if they don't pile in, a lot of buying, but it's holding strong. $81, $82, holding. $84, good stuff. So looking for a nice bounce here, $85. Stop is going to be flat at this point. If it comes back to my entry, $84. Holding, I'm just holding. I want to see this through. For the 9 a.m. move. Set up. Good. 86. 88. Boom. There you go. Nice. 88. Let's see this, man. Let's freaking see this thing. 88. 90. Might add around 90 if I see 90. Come on, bro. I gotta be patient. If I don't see it, the stop is gonna be flat. It's not doing it. I could take half off here. Put some profit here. It's pretty slow. 85.
GOVX.
3 seconds. Let's see what it wants to do.
You see $C here. GOVX.
It's a hidden buyer, it seems like. It's like it doesn't want to. There you go. I'm out. 200 only.
INTC. SOXL.
Oh, looks like it wants to go now. Picked up a little bit more.
GOVX.
Let's see. If it gets to 90, we'll add.
LNG. CREG. SNXX.
Get over 90.
SOXL.
AUD.
MU.
Base balance of UD. This one is struggling here. So 87.
RNG.
Oh, here we go.
SNXX.
Bro. There you go.
Anymore.
Somebody's trapped here. Who's trapped? Short's trapped. Long's trapped. Min from 79. So man, once it starts going, it's gonna be powerful. I know it. So I'm gonna be holding here. Stop at 77. I only got 200. Stop at 77. I will add, like if it retests 70 my entry, I could add. CMND. CISS. CISS.
CISS.
And CISS is moving fast. 9 a.m. moves. CISS.
Internet. HNY.
All right, what it can do here, we can catch a little dip into the open. 200 shares. I'm in at 79.
On VRAX.
CMND. I don't know if you'll want to dump at the open. What's the deal here? We got a nice gap here. Maybe we could, at the open, we can touch that. We can touch it at the open. You know? Maybe dip here at the open. I don't know. Let's see. Where does liquidity want to go? Are we adding or removing liquidity? Looks like we're removing it. Okay, try to break 77. It couldn't do it. Oh, it's gonna do it now. Yeah, I'm out. So it tried to bounce. It didn't do it well. 77. All right, cool. So down 20 bucks into the open. All right, let's see what we can find this morning. CISS. We've got a potential dip right here. All right, time to get some market orders in. All right. So I would like to see a dip 67, closer to 67, man. Talking about that. It's already gonna go to a whole level up. Let's see. Oh, yep. Wanting to get that dip. There you have it. Okay, that's good. SBFM is good. We'll trade it after the hold.
SBFM, CISS, GCTS,
Slow.
LABT, WLB, RKLX, UZ, WOLF, SPC,
Okay.
GOVX,
SCIS.
SOLB, CREG,
GOVX also could do it.
GELI, CORD, AUD, SBFM, DCTS,
GOVX.
WLF, UZ,
GOVX.
SPC, WOLF,
Good.
GOVX, RDW, SOLP, RKLX, IDF, ETF,
Keeps moving faster.
GCTS,
We like this.
HYLF, WLF, LABT, UZ, GOVX, SPC, and LYT.
Let's see. We got a lot of liquidity down here, which is good. Now we need this thing to move. We'd like this thing to move. So where is it going? Where's it going? I think we can hit 70s, perhaps. 33. Don't want to rush it. Don't want to rush it, but here we are. Good. We held that level. Yep. You can go to 70s. I went to 70s. Could dip into the gap right here. I mean, my entry's here, you know. Didn't have it open. I had the other one on. Well, that's all right. Good trade there.
GCTS, CREG, RKLZ, AUD, HCWD, EODL, HID.
Are we going to keep going?
EPIC, GOVX,
Wow, it's going to keep on going. GOVX. All right, let's see if it's going to give moves later today. All right, so SBFM looking for this for a move to $2. Going to open at 2. Oh, okay, to 220. All right. So we're going to look for a dip on this. I think it'll be strong. We'll see. Stop is 85. Hopefully dip under 2. We'll keep it tight. 1 minute left. Dip here. First pullback. How well this pullback is going to hold? That's the real question.
FLY.
44 seconds. All right. All right, here we go. 14 seconds. Open it. Oh, 206. Don't like the fact that it's going higher. Let's see. Dip under 2. Dip under 2. I'll take that. Dip under 2. There it is. Dip under 2. 99. There we go. Come on. Come on.
GCTS.
There it is. 7. Boom. Out right there. 9. 13. Cool.
SBFM.
See if we can get some nice trades here. 17. And man, I gave leaving some on the table here.
HCA. VOYG. FLY. MBIZ. LUNR.
Excellent. Excellent. All right. Looks like that was precisely what I was looking for. Took it out 9. Took it out for 10 cents.
HCA. FLY. RKLX. LUNR. VOYG. QNC has been less than a year. FLYT. KUL.
GOVX.
NBIZ. BTN. CDSC today.
Wow.
GOVX. RGTZ.
Okay.
AIIO. QNC has been less than 10 seconds.
GOVX is strong, man. How do you guys? How do you get on? How do you get on this? I mean, there was a kind of a dip right on 90. That would have been a good one.
And STZ. PIII. IOGIGGB medicine.
A pullback here was good. 50s.
GRE. SOX.
Pull back to the gap was nice.
IRZ. NOWR. And OMA less than 10 seconds. SRPG medicine and left below. TSLP.
Hopefully, can give more moves later today.
SOXS.
It's a risky gap. Not doing it.
GIGGB med less than 10 seconds.
50s. Could I get in on the 50s?
VRAX.
Flush down to the 50s where I found support before. Maybe. It's kind of a risky flush. I might even take less size on that.
SBFM less than 10 seconds. SNDQ. RGTZ. AUTL. SOXS. RKLZ. IRZ. NOWL. BPZ. NBIZ. RGTZ, CORD, SOXS,
CREG,
HCMNZ,
LCX,
RKLZ, IRZ,
VRAX, ASBF,
MSTZ, FZ,
CREG,
LABT,
UNCX, VRAX,
IRZ,
Okay, water right here, 56.
ASBF,
Maybe a little too high.
CREG,
This is gonna resume in a few seconds. Let me get out of this.
SOXS,
Under 222, 214, fall down, yeah. No, not a good one, not a safe trade. Ah, this one.
DNZ,
Just slipped through my fingers. Let's see if I can get another dip here. 52, 50s.
VRAX,
I get in here, 48, 47. I'm in at 49. There you go, only 200 shares here. Looking for a good dip. Looking for a good dip here, and at 49. Stop is 47.
CRG, DND,
VRAX,
RKLZ, RGTZ,
VRAX,
Good. So here we go.
CRG,
Could
TCTX,
form that gap right there. 62.
SOXS, BPZ,
I'll take it out right there, 62. So 49 to 60. Good, good 12 cents.
CMAG,
Nice. Taking the profit as I see it.
HCM volume down.
All right, fair enough.
CISS,
Have to size up on this bad boy.
CTS,
Have to size up on this.
HID,
Have to size up on this.
HIV,
Let's see.
GCT,
70s. Wow. Okay, this is giving freaking awesome moves. Jeez. Okay.
SOXS,
Okay.
RGTZ,
CISS,
IRNZ, RKLZ,
So here I'm risking roughly $80. So here I'm risking 60.
HID,
This might be a little too early. Nice trade on the gap though. Beautiful dip on the gap.
GOVX,
Rejection from 80s.
SOXS,
Yeah.
RGTZ, CORD,
CISS,
All right. First day back. Fully back into the office.
VRAX,
SND,
Let's not get too greedy. Market is looking good.
BPZ, IRZ, MSTZ, CRCD, SEGG,
So this is gonna open in 2 minutes. 207. This could be a nice dip though. This could be a great dip.
SOXS,
BTF, CISS, RKLZ, AUUV, ASPF,
ASTN,
50s again.
SND,
I mean, we could actually get a better dip a little lower. Have a nice gap, 5-minute gap right there.
CMAG,
So if it wants to go, it might get a nice move a little lower. 30s,
CISS, CREG,
30s,
GOVL,
smaller size.
HIV, XRX,
REW,
SPEG,
GOVX, CMAG, CISS, GOVL, AII,
Looking for that to give a dip. 5-minute gap.
RDW. CREG.
Let's see what is happening here. So bunch of orders going through.
88 out.
It's holding 50s.
HIV, SOXS,
LABT. VRAX.
This one, yeah, so that's from a red gap. So maybe we can grab a dip. It's gonna open at $2.
RDW.
So
WGS,
dip
VRAX, GCT,
96 now. Okay, we can grab a dip here at 95.
LABT.
This could actually give a good bounce. We're gonna risk it here.
HDR,
95, 85. Ooh, 5 more minutes. Yeah, that's a massive drop. Okay, good. So now we're looking at this. So now he's bottoming wicks here. Looks like we may hold. What's the low of this? 48.
RDLX,
LABT. VRAX.
GRP,
So what's the low of my gap here? 25? 25.
HCA, and less than 10 seconds. WGS,
Another bottoming wick.
LABT.
Small dojis with the wicks.
VRAX.
GRP,
It's hard to say. It's hard to say. It's hard to say what's gonna do here. Either I buy it down here or we're gonna get a move going up. Here it's 50-50 it seems like. So staying patient. Staying patient.
CC,
Alright, we're trying this one more time. So 64. I can get a gap and go right here if it wants to hold 64. First candle to make a new high. Just a little bit.
GCTS,
Once it prints 80s.
SOXS,
No.
HCA. USCS.
DAMD, SND,
Good, 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 good. Yeah, I'll get in there. 81. Bit of a high fail. A little bit of a fight here. Yeah, a little bit of a fight there. I'll try it again a little lower. We like this area though. We like this area. So let's see if it wants to hold 64.
HCA. GOVX.
It's nice up here.
CISS names in less than CRC,
Yes.
CG, GRP,
78. Ah,
VRAX.
I really like 78, but we'll give this a try.
and what that doesn't know, G may less than 10 seconds.
HCA.
A little late on that entry, but let's see.
GOVX.
CONR, CRC, CRC,
We do like this area here still. No, we're gonna get cooked here.
CISS may less than 10 seconds.
No.
RDW.
Nah, bad timing on my end. Bad timing. Okay, I need to review that trade. Bad timing on my end. I should have gone already when it hit 80. Bad timing on my end. But I gave it a try. I gave it 10 cents.
VRAX, RDW, AAOX, NUX, AXBX, CISX,
DXYZ,
APLX, EGXX,
All right, 30 seconds here.
VRAX,
95. Man, we can get a nice freaking crazy bounce here. I'm going for it. I'll use 1.8. I'll use 2K. Let's see. 10 seconds. Risking about 5. Yeah, I could go red here. No, I don't want to go red, so let's do 1,000. False hold.
DGXX,
Yeah. All right. Dang. Dang, son.
NOWL,
RDW, VRAX,
SBFM project down,
Okay.
CON9,
This is trying one more time. It found support. It found support right there. So 70
FIG,
needs to finish. This candle needs to close above 70 for me to get in. We're gonna try it again.
NOWL, SNDQ, CONL,
Nice.
CCUQ,
So we're looking for the next move higher here.
FIG,
Good. 74. Okay.
EKKT,
Fair enough. You got a full 70 here. Good.
SNDQ,
It's getting stuffed. It needed to go. It needs to go here.
CONL,
Oh, price action is getting spooky. No, price action is getting pretty weird there.
FIG,
Out like 80, 76, 74, back to 80. No, I'll wait for this to be a little cleaner. I'll wait for this to be a little cleaner. All right, here we go.
CONL,
Now we're getting a little cleaner. So 4,
FIG,
so 78, 80. So anything under 90. There it is.
CRG,
92. Beautiful. 4.
SPG remains in less than
I want to see this break of 4. Getting it out on the ask, but unable to.
NOWL,
Here we go. Big buyer showing up there. Nice. Keep going.
FIG,
I'm pulling this. I'm out. Nothing. Like a big buyer showed up there, but it didn't actually move that much. This side's up here.
AUTL,
Low that is 80. So I'm seeing that. What am I seeing? I need to wait and think about this a little longer.
SPG remains in 10 seconds. ETL,
86 held. Now it's gonna go here. Bang. Beautiful. So up to 413, but back down.
AUTL, repeat Phoenix,
Hmm.
RDW,
Yeah, the entry is here. Here is the entry, right? Retesting this area, seeing that it's holding, bang, that's the entry again. And then taking profit above $4. Scalping it here, it's really not worth it. So alright, let's go for this breakout. It seems like it wants to break. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Two stocks holding down at the same time. That's crazy. 28. Let's see what we can do here. 23, 22. Yeah, that was a good buy. That was a great but it doesn't fit my strategy. Outside that, I'm kind of just buying the exhaustion sell-off. I get exhausted after all this sell-off. So it might actually hold up here. So 31 is that.
LABT.
Yep. Dang it. That was amazing.
GOVX.
That was amazing. 23. 487. So I don't know. See 487. 454 is that dip. Nice.
GOVX.
No dip on it. Just kept going.
SBFM.
Wow, a lot of good moves. A lot of great moves.
SEGG.
Whoa, that's crazy. Back down to 67. Okay, this stock is, I'm not trading this garbage. Alright. Back to GOVX. This one was much better after all that.
SBFM. SEG.
Nice dip down there.
GOVX.
That's crazy. Dip at 3.
Alright. SBFM.
VRAX looking good for 200 attempt here. I was just watching it. That's 34. That's 36.
RKLZ.
Yeah, I'll get in here. 80, I think we can keep going here. 39, 40. Just to go 40. No. I'm gonna get a dip here. 36. Watching dip at 36. Stop is gonna be 36 if I see it. Dip. Holding 38. Well,
VRAX.
wanted to see this thing move higher. So looking for that dip. 38. 5 seconds here. Well, that candle is 38, 38.14. You dip to 36.
VRAX.
Yeah, I'm taking that. 38.15. I'm taking this. I'm taking this. I'm taking this. 38.15 needs to go here. needs to go here. Bro, broski. There we go. Ooh, excellent wick. I didn't see that wick, but that was a good wick. You show some strength here.
In my head.
Yes, let's do it. Oh, no, 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 no. Added on that, because it looked good. I saw some strength on the tape. No, this is way too slow. Oh, there you go, 38. Sellers at 39. Can you break through them? No, I'm out. Massive stack at 39. I'm a bit too aggressive on this. But so it did come down to supposedly 36, but I didn't see it on the level 2. I just saw it on the chart. That gave me an indication that I was going to be strong. But then I saw this thing at 39. There are too many sellers at 39, so probably not gonna work. I was pretty loaded up with that. Okay, 95. Good. So now we're breaking through this level. So now 39. So let's see. I don't trust this, so I'll throw in 1,000 shares. There it is. 39. Don't break 39. I'll get in here 34. Yes. You want to go through it? Do it. Do it now. Now it's a prime time. Prime time. Yeah, so there you go. Not even worth it. So small size there, trying to get that move through 40. But it looked pretty weak, so 39 was my stop. Where did I get out? Only 1,000 shares though. Yeah, I lost 10 bucks on that. So dip here again. So maybe a dip would be much better. 36. Finally a solid dip at 36. Could that be much better? I tried it how many times? I don't want to trade too much either. Once, twice, 3 times. I tried it 3 times.
CYSS.
I like that we can pick up liquidity down here. That's a good gap. So maybe what's the low of this? 33. 35. Again, 35. Let me see 35.
CRCG. TTD. NVD. NVDQ. CRCG.
36 is holding well. I'm gonna get in here, 36.4, and I'll add as we go lower, 36. Just 1,000 shares. This is a bigger play move. I like this 5-minute gap that formed. I would love to add here 34.50. I'm going for this bigger move here, this bigger play, this reclaim. Stop is going to be obviously the lowest of that, which is 33.80. So we'll see. We'll see. I like this. So you're gonna add down there. Going to add below 35. Staying patient. I think this could give a nice bounce here. 36 seems to be absorbing a lot of the sell-off. But even if it doesn't absorb it, I think a little lower can still be good. 35, low of it is 33, so 34. I'll get in here. 348, 33. Oh shoot, we are. Looks like it gave a wick, but I didn't see it. I honestly didn't really see it. So that's going to be a massive move here, it seems like. Let's see. 35.6. I need this to be green, otherwise, there we go. 36.
VRAX. CISS. AI. CREG.
It's not doing it. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. It's holding 35. Hmm.
CREG. SBFM. AI.
Looking for a bounce here. It's 5-minute.
CREG. SBFM.
Looking for this bounce. Volume is not coming in though. Volume is not coming in. Come on, volume come in here. Volume needs to come in here.
CREG.
No, it's going red. Let's see if we can hold this. It's a 5-minute gap, so only 2K. I want to see this through. All right, I'll wait. Okay, looks like we're about to get stopped out here. VWAP is 333. I mean, I'm hoping it holds VWAP at least.
CISS. GOVX.
CRCG, NSTC,
SBFM.
SOXS, TSLQ.
Okay, looks like that one's bolted up.
IONC, SNC,
Ah, bro.
TSLC,
CISS.
CRG.
Not really what I was looking for, but
GDXD,
SBFM.
IRZ,
okay. That seems to be a good green candle. Let's see if this candle remains green and we can see this next 5-minute give a better move.
SNDQ, IONC.
Okay, looks like we got a ghost wick coming down here, which is good. So let's see. I've been holding this for a while. Let's see if now we can get a good move here. Also a good amount of green. Tape is going faster. 36. Come on. Needs to go here. Needs to go here. If it doesn't go here, it's not gonna work. Needs to go here. There it is. There it is. Finally. Let's get this breakout. Let's get this move higher. 36.8. 37. Let's start pushing, 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 pushing. Massive buyers. Yes, yes. Come on. Oh, bro, it's getting stuck, man. It's just selling half, or a little bit more than half, but it's getting stuffed at 31. Oh, okay, there we go. Sorry, at 37. Now it's 38. Okay, good. See if I can add here on this dip. So adding on this dip. Adding on this dip. Waiting for this dip. 37. 37 seems to be strong. $36. Fine, I'll add here. Cool. So I added right there, half at 36.69. Stop's gonna be flat 35. Hopefully this wants to go. Good dip though, good dip. Nice. Wow. Push. Push, baby. Push. I need to stand. Didn't quite push. Didn't quite push there.
GOVX.
So what's gonna happen here? Gonna get out here at 37. Didn't quite push. Oh, you're joking. Ah, whatever. Right there, 37. All right, giving this another attempt, it seems like.
TSTD.
37.27.
IONC. SOX.
Wow.
GTSD.
Now it wants to go, right? Such BS, man. Such BS. Now what?
NVDQ.
Dip?
NVD.
What sort of dip would I take here?
ASTM. NVD.
Okay, now we're getting tape moving fast, a lot of green. All those are hitting this. Let's see if we can get a nice dip here, if possible. There's a dip at 39, but maybe a little lower as well.
NVD.
SBFM.
IONC. DAND.
VRAX. RPGL.
SNTQ. SOXS. VRAX.
SBFM.
Dang.
VRAX.
Looks like we're going. I try to get it here. It went around the second time. Hitting the 200. Man,
TVCS.
I went right here 38.
RKLZ.
VRAX.
Bro, it's
VRAX.
like free money right now, and I just can't seem to get a good grip from this guy.
SGG.
SEGG.
Let's see. Let's get one more big green candle. Let's get one more big green candle here.
VRAX. LPW.
VRAX.
45 to 200, so we could get to 50 here.
SEGG.
I don't like the 3.
VRAX. AIN.
VRAX. SGG.
HCAI.
STFS.
CREG. VRAX. AIN.
CREG.
Hmm, 200. Not sure if I want to buy it at the highs. 200 EMAs right there.
STFS members in 10 seconds.
Just immediately blew up. 44. 43.
AIN.
Let's see, 43. 43.50. 42, 43. 44.
AIN. CISS.
Don't like this bounce. Don't like this dip.
G.
Yeah, don't like that dip. Awful dip. Yeah, there was no reason for me to trade it. I mean, I gotta learn how to get in on these two moves, you know, and then just ride it here. Boom, add, push.
CISS.
Just losing money on the pullbacks. Wow, looks like this thing wants to get a nice move in here. So let's see if we're gonna get a massive short squeeze here.
RPG now. VRAX.
Get a few buyers in here. Come on. 50s is holding. Well, that is 49. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful squeeze. Beautiful squeeze. Not thinking it would do it, but I'm guessing it did do it.
RPG now. VRAX.
Wow. Squeezing heavy. Shorts are trapped. Shorts are trapped. Shorts could be trapped here. Let's see. Dip.
It's 2
Shorts could be trapped here. Dip under 49.
VRAX.
RPG now. VRAX.
Wow. $49. 48.
VRAX.
SBFM holds it down.
The size up here on this dip looks good. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like it could hold. It's been holding.
Music.
47 maybe. Sell-off is pretty contained.
CISS. RPG. CREG. HCAI.
Did this give one more dip, or is it gonna be backside now? We hit 50 cents, which is a pretty strong level.
GC2 has
CREG. HCA.
Pretty strong level.
GCTS.
JDST
Hmm. Don't want this thing to sink. Just don't sink.
JDST
Hmm.
GC2 has
CREG.
What do we got here? We got a better dip down here. Dip at 45. I'll take 3K at 45.
CREG.
CREG doing well. I think I've done well on this stock in the past.
CREG
No, it's over $1. Is the market hot? Looks like the market is hot now.
CISS.
CREG. Let's see.
CREG.
Can you hold one? If you're able to hold one, I'm all for it.
BRG
Orders going in. Got it right there at 3. Needs to go here. 4, 5. Oh, got caught there. Buying the highs. Okay, that's a mistake on my end. Shouldn't be buying these highs. Take a dip down here. 41. 41 area. I love this because it was previous support 42. Ah, let's say we didn't quite get it down there.
VRAX.
Nice dip. Nice dip. Almost got that move. So aim here. 58. Up to 46. What a dip. Man, I traded this when I was holding it, going through this area. Ah, missing all the fun, not trading when it's fun. Yeah.
VRAX. CISS.
63. Could it keep going through 63?
VRAX.
shorts are getting stuck or what? It looks pretty high. I don't want to buy the highs. I bought the highs before and it didn't play out too well. Looking for a dip instead. This might actually be a good dip down there. Watching this, watching this. So that was the top of that gap. So let's see how well this wants to react. Keep off the lows there. I'll take it there, 43. If you give me 43. Why not give 43? I'll take it out right there. Not bad. Not bad. Wait, where was my entry? Four, 9, 41, 42. Oh shoot! I actually thought it was in at 39. Oops. Whoopsie, whoopsie. I thought I got a better entry on there. No, 40. Oh, okay, never mind. I saw the prices wrong. Ah. So I barely got 1 cent on that. Anyway, quick dip there. This could actually be a good spot on CREG here, 96, 95. Stop is 94. A little spready there. Is it? Sort of. 94 is that low. Looking for a move back to 108. We're in this gap here, 5-minute gap, looking great. I mean, after that rejection, we're gonna need some kind of bounce here for a head and shoulders. See if I can get a nice move here. 96. 95 is that low, right? 94.75 is that low. 94.75. It's holding. Let's see what this next candle is going to do. That candle was inside candle. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see a dip. You may see a dip here.
Oh, I see. I was in 10 seconds.
Let's see one more dip. One more dip here. 94 is that low. Let's see one more dip. I'll get in here. 96.1.
On GTZ.
Um, 96.1. Ooh, not a big fan of that. All right. Darn it. All right, that was our last trade, but it actually just dipped right under it, and it might actually work here. Wait a second, wait a second. I might actually do a reclaim here. Yep, it's doing a reclaim. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Wow, that's kind of annoying. Kind of bought it 96 out 94. And buy it at a good place. I gave one more drop. I thought it wouldn't. I thought it wouldn't drop one more time by going back down 95. Hmm.
In my head.
SBFM magazine must be new.
Bought it one more time here. 962. I think we can curl here. The previous candle volume was very low.
SBFM.
There was a red candle. I think we can curl here. Come on, give me some volume. Give me some volume. Mind the lows. All right, so the stop is going to be the gap right there. 94 again. This might be my last trade if it doesn't work. Yeah, looks like it might not work. 94.75 is that? Yeah. Oh. All right. Gonna take the 50 bucks, man. Just two losses right there. Bunch of nonsense. All right, so I'm gonna call it here. Up only $56. So yeah, we took last two trades were just so dumb. 96, 94, 96, 94. Two trades, lost another 40 at the end. Kind of silly. But today was the first day we traded pre-market, so let's see what we did well here. First trade, GOVX. Yeah, so we tried to go on the pullback. Man, I already forgot. This was what, 7:30. I guess it's just go stock by stock, whatever. So what do we do here? This ended up being a loser, even though it was a winner for the most part. So got a nice dip right there, the bottom of the gap. Added on it, took some profit, Added right here for the squeeze. Nope, didn't do it. This thing ended up failing, so I got out. Ended up being basically a flat trade. A little later, got in there again, 72, got out, 83, 77, 74. Yeah. Oh yeah, so I got out 83, added one more time, 75, out 77, 74, 72, and then just as I get out, it goes up. Ugh, why does that always freaking happen, man? My timing is just not working. I'm just not getting the right timing on these stocks, you know? I gotta work on that. I gotta either watch the, what am I doing? Am I watching too much the tape? I'm not watching enough the chart. I don't know. Anyway, gotta still review what I'm doing. Next trade, dip, looking for a move higher. No, I think I just got it break even. I don't know why. Next trade right here at 79. Oh yeah, I think I knew it was gonna come lower, so I got it lower. 80 out, 79 out 85. Looking for that move, but didn't happen. Out the red 77. Scaled out on this. Boom, now dip and rip. In 99, out 209. Nice. left some money on the table here, went up all the way to 22. Nice, good trade. VRAX, what do we do here? Was this a 5-minute gap? I think it might have been a 5-minute gap. I don't know what it was. Again, another gap here which failed. Then a push here. Gonna do a gap and go, which never didn't actually work. Tried one more time, didn't actually work. All right, gap and go, didn't actually work. But actually, now the next time I saw there was a big 5-minute gap, I think. In 36, added 34, out 37, added again 36, out 37. And this one, man, I'm just hoping for this to go here. Anyway, I sell everything, and then the next few minutes it goes, and then I just don't find a place to get in, man. In right here, get stopped out, 41. Oh, that always happens to me, man. I'm just kind of tired of getting stopped out. Kind of tired of like missing the moves day after day. I'm missing these moves, so I'm gonna have to review a lot and make some changes in my game if I want to take this to the next level. And right here, 41, and then just a quick little trade there. Very slow, but if I held, I guess could have gone to 48. Yeah, whatever. GOVX, GOVX. Did we do this already? GOVX. I think I did this. Did I? I don't think I did. Anyway, the gap failed for me. I think I added here. Added 56, scaled out. Added it a little lower, out 40. Yeah, so scaled in and out on this. Small size. Tried it on the dip 56, out 51. Ends up holding 50s, and it goes. So this one was really tricky for me to time it. Yeah, really tricky for me to time it. Anyway, bought it again 49, out 61. That was much better. Good trade on my end. I guess I could have held, but I didn't think it would hold. Just not having enough conviction on some of these on my trading. Next is I took a trade right here for a gap and go. Flat, basically, small loss. What happened here? Oh yeah, gap and go one more time. But man, it just gave me such a weird look here. And the trade is down here. The trade is down here, right here. Boom. There's a gap right here. All these bottoming wicks. Gotta get in there. Trying it here, 74 out 78. Again, it gave me a weird look. But eventually it went. 92, 98. Eventually it went. Anyways. Now, CREG. This is so dumb. Like, why am I buying the highs? Like, it's just so silly. Anyway, I took 2 more dips down here. It's not even worth looking into it. And then the very first trade of the day, or like, no, maybe not. It's just a big loss in the morning. Only 200 shares. 316, 316. Good dip at the lows. Beautiful. I tried to get out here in the 20s. Was not able to. Then I eventually hit the bid right here, 89 and 71. Massive drop. So basically I gotta get in. I gotta get it early. Gotta pay attention on it. I did not pay attention to this volume. Yeah, good volume. I just didn't pay attention to it. Anyway, that's gonna be it. Took 2 losses at the end. Not very happy about that. I was almost up $100. But we're gonna take it. We're back from vacation. So basically didn't really trade during my break. I took a few trades here, but nothing worth mentioning. Came back on the 11th just to eat a few losses, but coming back again, $56 today. All right, so let's finish the month green. I think I can do it. Just a matter of staying patient and yes, recognizing that the market is going to be here. I gotta focus on my setups, and yeah, we'll see. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Try a free trading analysis tool. Try it for free, 7-day free trial. Come check it out for $5 a month, 50 a year. Join the Discord. join our members, and check out all our features. Anyway, thank you. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow.